Have you ever thought of owning land in the metaverse? Digital real estate, or this concept of owning virtual land, is basically the same as owning a deed to a property, except it exists solely in a digital world. At this point, you could say the world is like a video game, but has a more social and community component to it. The fact is that these days, investing in the metaverse is just as valuable as a piece of land in the real world. I mean, heck, it even attracted the attention of big-name celebrities such as Snoop Dogg and Justin Bieber as well. But if you're a newbie in the metaverse world, then this video is for you, as I will reveal the truth about metaverse land investing, what it means, and why it's such a great investment to start now. But if you're new to the channel, we post videos every week, so consider subscribing and stay notified every time we drop a new video. Where did the metaverse come from? For starters, people's interest in augmented reality, virtual reality, and metaverse real estate generally sparked after the social media giant Facebook changed its name to Meta and announced its intention to invest in this virtual reality world. Now, obviously, we know that plots of land in the virtual real estate market might seem like odd investments and even unfamiliar to you, but the truth is that they are very similar to real-world real estate in so many ways. There are two factors that make investing in virtual lands very interesting to investors. Number one, metaverse real estate is in limited supply. Just like it is in the real world, owning metaverse virtual real estate means you own a unique parcel of land and you can do anything you want with it, including creating income-generating machines like rental properties or interactive events that charge for admission, promote a brand, or even hold concerts. Furthermore, each parcel of metaverse real estate is entirely unique, secured by an NFT. If you don't already know, NFT means non-fungible token, and it is basically a deed or proof of ownership for something digital or real that is able to be identified in a unique way. Your virtual estate NFT is able to guarantee your ownership while allowing you to resell the property to another person. It's also able to record all the transactions for that property automatically, eliminating the need for title work when it comes to real-world real estate. You can even call it a 21st century digital deed. How do I invest in the metaverse? It's not difficult to buy and sell digital assets in the metaverse, as most metaverse platforms can be accessed easily with a computer and even on your smartphone, making it very simple to inspect virtual real estate before you then make a final decision to purchase. Once you have chosen a piece of the metaverse real estate you can afford to pay for, you then research it on one of many third-party reseller platforms, with the most popular used being OpenSea or nonfungible.com. These sites will show you the sales history, if there's any, and allow you to do the same for any nearby properties that might serve as decent comparisons. Once you've made a decision on which asset you want to buy, next you'll need to set up your digital wallet. What is a digital wallet? The next step is to open a digital wallet that will hold your digital assets. This also includes the cryptocurrency you will be using to make your purchase. Buying and selling on the metaverse involves cryptocurrency, so make sure you have a wallet for one. The wallet you will be choosing depends on the metaverse platform you select. Each of the sites will explain which ones are preferred and how to link them up. Keep watching, because in a minute I'll break down exactly how this stage works. What type of cryptocurrency do I need to buy? Now, in order to buy, you also need to purchase the amount of cryptocurrency you will need for the metaverse real estate transaction. For example, if you are buying in Decentraland, you will need to purchase mana coins, which is the accepted token of transaction in that particular metaverse. If you are buying in the sandbox, you will want to stock up on sand tokens, as that is the accepted token of transaction in that metaverse. All these can be purchased on open crypto exchanges using your cryptocurrency or your real-world money in some cases. The moment you have your digital money in your digital wallet, all you have to do is to simply go to the platform's marketplace or a third-party site and click the button to buy. It only takes a few seconds for the platform to verify the transaction, and it includes checking that your wallet contains enough currency and that the property involved can be conveyed to you legally. When those checks are complete, the money that comes out of your wallet and an NFT which represents your purchase goes into it. Sounds easy, right? But how do I make money with virtual real estate? At this point, an anonymous identifier connected to your wallet and belonging to just you is recorded as the new owner of the property. So when someone comes to the same site to buy your land, if you want to sell, they'll see you as the owner of the metaverse site. It also essentially works the opposite way when you want to sell your metaverse virtual land. You first list your property for sale, and someone else will then do the clicking and go through verifications before their crypto is traded for a non-fungible token. and your wallet will trade one NFT for a pile of crypto, usually with profit. However, keep in mind, metaverse worlds like Decentraland and the Sandbox enable you to be able to buy virtual plots of land. The value of metaverse virtual real estate depends on a range of variables, such as its sizes and locations within the metaverse. Now, obviously, buying a plot next to Snoop Dogg's mansion in the Sandbox will definitely cost in excess of $1 million. However, much cheaper plots are available in other locations. One of the biggest metaverse real estate purchasers till date, which consists of 100 virtual lands within the Sandbox, sold for over $4 million. How do I gain exposure in the metaverse? Another way of gaining exposure in the metaverse is by purchasing non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Like earlier mentioned in this video, each NFT within the metaverse world is unique and different from the next, which enables investors to prove they own that digital item. It could be as simple as art, music, or virtual land. The NFT will then be stored on the blockchain and be tradable on a wallet-to-wallet basis. One of the examples of the best NFT categories in the metaverse space is Beeple's Human 1, in what the project calls its first human born in the metaverse. It was recently sold for just under $30 million. This one again proves that serious capital is being pumped into the metaverse investment scene, even though the entire concept is still in its early stages. This does not mean you need millions of dollars to buy metaverse NFTs, as some can be purchased with just a few dollars. It is important that you follow the best instructions, just like in the real world, before buying metaverse virtual real estate. You also need to carefully research the metaverse platform you want to invest in before moving further to buying, while making sure to choose a reputable third-party marketplace to avoid any kind of scam. Investing in the metaverse, virtual property, and creating virtual real estate is the next big thing after cryptocurrencies, and we will definitely see an increase in it as time goes on. It is still early and much easier to join the moving train now. What are the risks investing in metaverse land? Before investing money in the metaverse virtual lands, take a step back and consider how owning one or more of the land fits into your overall investment plans. If you buy something that does not fit into your long-term investment goals, it can cause a lot of damage to your portfolio and financial position. Keep in mind that metaverse investment is in its early development, and your returns might not materialize for a number of years. In regards to timing, investing is like a party, which means it is better to show up early rather than late. Getting in early might be dull and quite awkward at first, but it's generally essential as it allows you to buy at lower prices. It's better to not see price movement for days, weeks, or even years than to miss out on when it takes off. As always, this is not financial advice. Do proper research before going into any investment, as this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Subscribe to Life of a Landlord so you don't miss any more videos on this topic, but if you want a step-by-step breakdown on how to invest in digital real estate, watch this video next where you'll get the entire scoop. So click the video on the screen now, and I'll see you in the next one.